man go do the thing now. Herbal laws, magical laws, yeah.
So what Herbal Laws up to on our Father's Day? Yeah man, give thanks to the great fathers and all the fathers out there, you know?
Today's vlog is brought to you by the Coconut Hut Coconut Oil. That's Miss Dawn's cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Everything tastes better with coconut oil. Call to order at 876-376-1296. So that's Miss Dawn's cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Fix up life.
Hey, sweetness.
In Viewland. Yeah man, big up to all the great fathers. You know, without father, there couldn't be no mother. Without mother, there couldn't be no father. So give thanks to all the great fathers on Father's Day. So this is what Herbal Laws up to on Father's Day. You know, I'm trying to create something for these tomatoes to run on, you know. As you see a little bloom or a little blossom coming up, you know, so I'm preparing, you know, something for them to run on. Creating a tomato stock, you know.
Well, I just see him like a maga boy again. Yeah, magical laws, yeah. Magical laws. Put some confidence.
Herbal Laws family, isn't this amazing? Yeah. Some time ago I did a video about this lemon mint. You know? Somehow I thought that this plant had died. Yeah. But I realized that it comes right back up. You know, so because I think it died, I plant tomato in this pot. But eventually the lemon mint come right up back. So watch you now. I'm not disturb none of them now. I just allow them to come in the same pot. What you all think? Yeah man, lemon mint man. Make great tea. Yeah. Yeah man, so this is what I'm doing. Yeah. I'm making like a adding a pole so that the tomato plants, you know, can run on the pole, you know. So I'm using this little strip. Yeah. Man, so I put it together, you know. Not too tight, but you know, give it enough leverage so that it can, you know, run on its own. You know? Yeah, so this is what it looks like when it's finished. You know, so it can run to the entire top. So that's what Herbal Laws up to on this great Father's Day. Yeah man, so blessings to all the fathers out there. Yeah man, blessings to you all. Yeah man, blessings.